Okay, let's take a look at a little bit more of a real-world example how this would work. So I have a ladder here, a door here, and a teleport here. And if I go in game and I want to get to this spot or position under my cursor, if I click on that, will this navigation agent take the ladder, the teleport, or go through the door? So if I click on here, seems like the teleport is the fastest option. If I increase the cost of the teleport, then the ladder becomes the more suitable option. And if I move this way, then going through the door becomes a viable option, because that is now the shortest path. If I click on here, I want to know which direction does the navigation agent go of these three options, and I want to do that automatically, and I want to do it so that I don't have to bake or create the navigation mesh manually. So in this case I can just go here, bake navigation mesh, and it will still work. Now if I want to go through the door like here and I lock the door, I want to automatically get a new path or best path depending on the dynamically changeable properties. All the information I really need is just if I go through the ladder, for example, where is the route of the ladder, where should I navigate to initiate my move up the ladder animation, and I can do that manually. So I just push up the agent up on top of the ladder manually as soon as I'm at the base of it. All I really need is some kind of system to navigate me to the ladder. Same thing for the door. I don't want the agent to go through the door on its own. I want to get into position to where I can initiate an animation to open the door. And when I click on the other side, I just want to get to the door and from there navigate through the door and in the middle play an animation. Another thing that's impossible in the current system is if the navigation link is one way, like this door for example, I can navigate from left to right, but if I click on the other side and I can't go through the door, I want to then find another path that I can take to the other side automatically. And same thing for the teleport. If I'm close to the teleport here and I click on here, I just want to get to the teleport, and from there I can hide the agent, instantaneously move it to the other teleport and unhide it again. And again, the teleport is one way only, so I have to take the stairs down. So the thing I really need is to enable dynamic rebaking of the navigation mesh and not have to manually do the navigation mesh and still have obstacles like ladders. Another thing I need is dynamically changeable costs for these navigation links, and both of those are impossible using the current system. Another thing that's impossible with the current system is one-way links. For example, this teleport or this door. The system that you mentioned for Godot 4.0 to prevent some agents from entering different regions could work for locked doors if I can make the obstacle narrow enough, because I do want this navigation agent to have full access to the area as soon as it reaches the area. But how does it reach the area is the actual question here. And that's I think that's all I can think of at the moment. So this is my thoughts on the Godot's navigation link system. Yeah, it can be done as an add-on, but it is going to be pretty heavy, requiring a lot of calculation, and it could be done so much more faster if the navigation links were part of the already existing navigation um, solving algorithm.